Hi, good morning. Welcome to WeGotGuru. This is singing or vocal tips. My name is Rakesh and today we are going to see how to open up your voice. Okay, there are two things to consider when you're opening up your voice. Number one, how much can you stretch your mouth out? And number two, how much of energy can you apply from the body itself? Okay, now I'll explain these two clearly. Stretching the mouth is very easy. As simple as that. Here is the concept of applying energy from the body. Okay, I'm going to assume that I'm going to call somebody. Okay, hey, can you get me some water? Yes. Okay, now this is, sure, I've applied a portion of my energy, but what if this person is a little further away from me and I want him to catch my voice? Hey, can you get me some water? Yes. Now that is what we call energy. You can simply consider that as how you refer to calling somebody from a distance. Okay, now I'm going to take a simple exercise. I'm going to play all the black keys on my keyboard, 3 at a time, like that. And we can take the amount of mouth stretching as, let's say, y-axis on a graph, and the amount of effort that you're going to apply, the energy that you're going to apply, we can call it as x-axis. Now, if you're a young one who doesn't understand what is an x-axis and a graph, think of it like a Superman toy for your energy levels, and think of a dinosaur toy, because the dinosaur does open up its mouth wide, right? Okay, now let's take, for the adults, we're going to do only the y-axis, where I'm not going to apply any effort from my body at all. It's going to sound very soft, but I am going to open up my mouth. Not all at once, slowly at a time, so that I have enough openings to do. Okay, let's see how that sounds. Okay, now for the second one, I'm gonna not open up my mouth at all. Okay, like many people in the world are feeling a little shy to sing, but I'm only going to apply the energy, just like how I would call somebody. Okay, let's take a look at how that sounds. This also means every note of mine is going to get louder by each consecutive note. La, ra, ra. La, ra, ra. Da, ra, ra. Da, ra, ra. Da, ra, ra. I know, right? That's how it sounds like. Okay, now how to open up? Very simple. The amount of effort that you apply and the amount of opening up that you do should match, should be of equal wavelength. Now, different songs requires different amount of effort and opening required. That we'll talk about later. Let's combine both of these two and find out how the voice exactly sounds when it's opening up. That means every note will sound louder than the rest, and your mouth will be consistently opening up more and more for each note that is getting higher on the key. Okay? La, ra, ra. La, Try that out every day and scare your neighbors. Alright, not really, but you have a nice day for now, and I'll see you during the next day.